Hello everyone, my name is Ben Howard and welcome to this course, Tracking Progress and Using Resources and Costs in Microsoft Project. This course is the next step up from a beginner's course and delves into some of the more advanced features to ensure that you're able to make the best use of Project. It enables you to use Project in a much more sophisticated and professional way. First, you'll determine what drives tasks and how Project determines when they start and finish, and how to create and assign resources and costs to the plan. Next, you'll discover some advanced techniques for sharing and communicating different parts of the schedule to different stakeholders and how to export data from the plan into different Office formats. Finally, you'll explore how to track the project by taking a baseline and using actual and remaining duration and work, and how to identify the variances in your plan. When you finish this course, you'll have the advanced skills and knowledge required to use Microsoft Project in order to successfully plan, track and communicate sophisticated project schedules.